Convertible time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1965 Ford Mustang convertible. C-code car, original 289 V8. Automatic transmission, C4 automatic. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front chrome. Grill. Get a good look at the front end. Now, as you can see on this one, paint does show its age some. This particular car we have had in running, driving, out on the frontage road. You're going to see a driving video at the very end of this video with this car. But before I took any long trips, may need a little TLC. Let's put it that way, or if you want to take it to the next level, there's some body things I'm going to show you on it. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll see what I'm talking about. You can see the door on the passenger side from here. And take a look at the underside pics, trunk, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there to our website. You can see all the pics. Call us also, 507-386-1726. You can see steel wheels, Mustang wheel covers, white wall radial tires. And again, here's one of the spots I'm talking about, or if you want to take it to the next level, it is going to need some body work. But again, we've had it running, driving, out on the frontage road. Black vinyl interior. Of course, the automatic shifter on the floor, aftermarket AM/FM cassette player in it. Black vinyl top. We're going to put that up at the end also so you can check that out. I'll roll the side glass up. There is a parade boot or convertible top cover. And like I said, there's some spots where the paint definitely shows its age. Older repaint to red. When you look at the trunk pictures, you're going to see that it has a newer fuel tank in it. And remember, we can definitely assist with transportation. Financing is available. We do consider trades. And once again, take your time looking at the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. You can see the chrome on the rear of the car. There will also be some extra parts that are going with this. There was a master cylinder. Take a look in the still pictures. I have those laid out so you can see the extra parts that go with it also. Again, a few spots where there's some paint chips here and there. Left it the way it was so you can see what's below the paint. And like I said, if you're going to take this car to the next level, you're going to take a little TLC, a little paint work. Maybe you just want to go through it mechanically and drive it the way it is too. It's fine also. Price it accordingly so it'll sell. Someone can have a fun convertible. A little separation in the seam there in the backrest of the seat. Seat belts up front. Let's go ahead and fire this up. It is a little cold-blooded, so I'm going to have to let it warm up here a little bit. It's got good throttle response. And I have had this radio working. Top of the dash. We might be alright. It'll take long for it to warm up. Also hear that 289 sounds good. Slip around and actually hear it. Nothing crazy over the top of the exhaust. Sounds as it should. Slip up to the front. I'm going to use both hands to get this hood open to make it a little easier. So let me pause this real quick. Get the hood open. We'll check out that engine bay, and then we'll put up the top, take a peek at that. There's the underside of the hood. So get a look at that. There it is. 289 V8. And again, that's paired up with a automatic transmission, C4 automatic transmission. There is a battery disconnect over here for when it's in storage or maybe between drives. I'll give you an idea how the engine bay looks. That engine runs. Now let's go ahead and get this convertible top up. It is a manual convertible top. One person can put it up easily. I'll get it latched and up. We'll take a look at that. And then remember to stick around to the very end of this video. And we're going to take this car for a little drive so you at least get an idea how it drives out. And here it is with the top up. Black vinyl top. Nice fit above the windshield. Did roll the side glass up so you get an idea how that is also. Don't really notice any rips or tears in it. Around to the rear. And passenger side. There's an idea on the top. It's a 1965 Ford Mustang convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those pictures. Take your time looking through undersides, interior, trunk, engine bay. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1965 Ford Mustang convertible. Red paint, the black top and a black interior. This is an automatic on the floor. Both our turn signal indicators do appear to work. Temperature gauge is reading a quarter of the way up the gauge. Fuel is reading just under half. I do have the heat blowing right now. It is nice and chilly outside, but warm in this car. The convertible top is up currently. Kenwood radio on the dash. I have not tested the cassette player, however, radio works. Wipers are working on this car as well. There is some play in the steering wheel. Doesn't seem to be enough to affect performance. Factory horn works well. It sounds good. Speedometer is working. Nice ride down the road in this car. Feels like a Mustang should from the 60s. Speedometer does wave around a bit. However, take the average or look at where it pauses. It is appearing to be close to accurate. Brakes are working. Corners the way a 60s Mustang should. Put that throttle down, the transmission does kick down. This car has a nice rumble coming from the exhaust. Now when we got up to speed a little bit more, that speedometer is quite erratic. Good running little Mustang. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.